So if you're watching this part 2, you want to go back to my profile and you want to take a look at part 1 because it's extremely important for you to understand what's going on here. This is August 5th, 2023. And I'm freaking pumped. I mean, pumped. Okay, all of you people that are worried about the government and control, and you're Canadian like me, and you want Trudeau out, and you're tired of what's going on with Biden, and you want to make a difference in the world, but you don't know what to do, and you're tired of paying high taxes, when all that's about to end, okay? It's about to end so fast. I mean, lightning speed fast. By the end of 2023, you're going to see a significant movement and significant change. But guess what? There's going to be another divide, another separation. What do? If some of you are on board with what's going on with climate change, you might want to take a look at Stephen Greer's new movie. You can take a look at that on Amazon and YouTube. That's on my first video. You want to take a look at what science is. He's got 3 degrees in the sciences. Greg Braden talks about global warming isn't really happening, but we're definitely destroying the planet. And we're destroying it with old technology that is supposedly helping us survive, like with energy and able to foods in plastic bottles and containers, etc. Now you can do all the green cleaning that you want. You can toss all your stuff into that organic green box and into that blue box where you put your plastics and your newspapers. Holly, we don't have newspapers anymore. Okay. Well, kind of. Anyways, you can do all of that, but it doesn't really make a difference because they're still providing them, still coming out, they're still digging the earth and destroying the earth and raping the earth for everything in order for us to have all these products. But guess what? We've got new technology. We got old technology. It's been submerged. It's been hidden from us. It's been kept from us, and it's going to come out. And we're going to do this, everybody. I'm so pumped and excited. This is not looking for something that's new. It's not like we're wishing on a prayer or a miracle for something to completely come and change the way that we live in our world, which is in harmony and in advancement as well. It already exists. It already exists. All the energy that we need, all the technology that we need, all of the food that we need, all of the natural resources that we need, all of the advanced products that we need in a harmonious way. It's there. And it's about to come out because there's some really great, amazing, the 7 masters. I've been talking to you about that. There's 7 groups of people that are going to come out and change the world for us. But are you going to be on board? If you're onto the climate change and you want to go with the government and go there, then you're going to be on one side. If you're ready to go with the people and the people for the people, then you'll be on the other side. It's the great divide. We can do this.